Now at 5, coming closer to home, a new COVID-19 mass vaccination event set for St. Charles County. The announcement comes 5 days after Governor Parsons said more attention would be given to the state's urban areas. Thanks for joining us. I'm Corey Stark.
And I'm Lauren Traeger in for Samantha. With less than a week to go until another 500,000 people statewide become eligible for the vaccine, News 4 spent the day asking when the St. Louis area will see more mass events put on by the state. News 4's Caroline Hecker got some answers and is joining us live tonight in St. Charles with those details.
Well, guys, right now we know that next Thursday there will be a mass vaccination event here at the Family Arena in St. Charles, helped by the National Guard, and it will be a drive-through event. It is the first of many that are scheduled to pop up in and around the St. Louis region as the state's focus on vaccines shifts. The state of Missouri says planning and scheduling for mass vaccination sites like this one are already underway as the St. Louis region begins to see not only more vaccine doses, but hundreds of thousands of people on waiting lists.
There's a big gap between the people who want a vaccine and the amount of vaccine that we have.
St. Charles County says it has 115,000 people pre-registered for the vaccine. More than 65,000 people are currently eligible, but have yet to receive theirs. In all, the county has only received a little more than 15,000 doses.
We're going to continue to prioritize the open groups, the 1A and 1B tiers 1 and 2. Before we start moving into the Tier 3 group.
That's encouraging news to those fearful the opening of Tier 3 will make it harder for those in earlier groups to get their shot. It's the same message being sent to residents in the city of St. Louis.
We are not forgetting about you. Just because we're opening up a different phase doesn't mean that we're pushing those other individuals to the side. And so we are very intentional about making sure that we meet the needs of our most vulnerable communities.
By April 1st, the state says the St. Louis region will have 3 mass vaccination teams in place, the most of anywhere in the state. Right now, another mass vaccination event is planned for this Saturday in St. Louis County. The county says it hopes to release its plan to get school staff vaccinated in the coming days. Now, we asked the state for specific dates of these upcoming mass vaccination events in our area. They couldn't give them to us because they say there's a lot of moving parts. Things are fluid right now, but there very well could be ones like the one here next week popping up in the next couple of weeks. Very important to remember, if you want to be considered for the mass vaccination event here at the Family Arena next week, you must pre-register with St. Charles County. You can go ahead and do that on their website. And once the county knows how many doses it will be getting, it will then start calling people to set up appointments. We're live in St. Charles tonight. Caroline Hecker, News 4.
Good information, Caroline. Thank you.